Hello, hello. Welcome to Matcha Mondays. My name is Marissa. I am the founder, one half of the Meraki Collective. And Matcha Mondays, this is where we talk about business, branding, websites, and anything else that might come up. And the goal is for me to have my matcha lattes while I'm doing this. But, that didn't happen today. We're just doing coffee. So that's how this is going to go down today. I want to chat about why some online entrepreneurs are successful, killing it online, while others are struggling. Have you ever thought about that? And if you have, which category of the two do you find yourself in? And look, I can really, truly speak about this from experience, because I spent a long time, many years, and I'm talking it's kind of embarrassing, but not so much, because I have a lot of experience, kind of a decade doing what I thought were all the right things, but not showing up in a way that my business needed me to show up. Over the last couple of years, I have learned that successful entrepreneurs are not successful because they hustle harder, because they work harder, or because they know more than I do, or they know more than you do. That's not it. They are successful because they think and they act in a way that their business needs them to be. I know that this concept may sound simple, but when I learned this, I was like, oh, it makes so much sense. And I'm still processing, and I'm still learning, and I'm still going through this and growing. And I love that at the Meraki Collective, my husband Eddie and I, this is what we get to do. We get to help other entrepreneurs, other coaches, consultants, and professional service providers get out of their own way, because like I said, I have a lot of experience in that field, and I do not want you to be one of those people stuck in that category. We've got to move beyond that. So the difference is that those that have become successful, they have embraced the role of a digital CEO. All right, a digital CEO. This next part that I'm going to share in this video and in this live is super important, because my personal business mentor, James Wedmore, has released his free 8-part business training series. And this training series, check it. I got something real fancy here. Here it is, boom. It is called The Rise of the Digital CEO. This training series is available for a limited time. Like I said, it's free. It is absolutely amazing and a total game changer. In it, he breaks down the 5 key ingredients that every business needs in order to thrive without endless amount of hustle, which, been there, done that, it does not work. So don't do that. I'm so excited to share this series with you, because if you are feeling stuck or paralyzed, or in any way, shape, or form and not completely aligned or excited about where you are in your business, you have got to sign up for this free training. Look, and if you don't even want to watch the rest of this video or stay for the rest of this live, no hard feelings, I totally get it. Go to my link to my bio and sign up on the link, or you can visit themerakicollective.com, where you can find the button that says sign up. It'll pop up as soon as you go, and you'll get immediate access to this training. If you still need some convincing, that is okay, because I am going to walk you through each of these little summary of each of the modules that are included, or not modules, episodes that are included in this 8-part training series. So this business training includes 8 episodes. Each episode is between 10 to 20 minutes long, so you can literally binge watch them all in one sitting, or you can break it apart and watch one every day. And like I said, it's only available for a limited time. So if you are watching this anytime before June 25th, you need to go and sign up stat. Okay, so let's start with episode 1. Is called The DNA of the Digital CEO. In this episode, you're going to find what are the things that are actually going to grow your business. Episode 2 is called Building Your Business Machine. And here is where you're going to discover that successful 6- and 7-figure digital CEOs see their business as a machine. And you're also going to discover what role you have been filling in your business. And when I figured out which role I was filling in my business, it wasn't good. And I was like, okay, it's time to change. You're going to love this episode. Episode number 3 is called Crafting Your Irresistible Offer. And all successful businesses, they have an offer that their audience actually wants. And in this episode, you're going to learn how you can position yourself as the authority and create that irresistible offer. Episode 4, I gotta get my little slide going. Okay, episode 4 is your product path. Here is where you're gonna learn how digital CEOs everywhere are quietly crushing it using the power of the ascension model. What is that? You will have to watch the episode to check that out. It's awesome. I'm telling you, this whole thing is super exciting. Number 5 is your sales system. Here you're going to discover the 4-part equation to a successful sales system, because the truth is that no matter how irresistible your offer is, it's not going to sell itself ever. That just doesn't happen. That would be fantastic, but that just doesn't happen. Again, been there, done that, doesn't work. So this sales system is going to be a total game changer for you. Episode 6 is attraction. Here you're going to discover how you can reach more of the right people so you can build an audience and connect on a deeper level. And look, if right now you're thinking, oh my gosh, these are a lot of episodes, this is a lot of information, and I'm watching this video and now I have to go watch more videos. I get it, but check it out. In this episode, you're also going to learn that overwhelm, this is gonna be real talk, okay? Overwhelm is the easy way out. So I don't want you to check out just yet. Episode 6, overwhelm is the easy way out. Whoa, let's keep going. Episode 7, team building. So it all comes together here by showing you how to put the right team and structure into your business so you can remain in your zone of genius. What is that? This is the place, the zone of genius is the place where you operate that actually grows your business. And lastly, episode 8 is called Your North Star. And this is where you're gonna see the missing ingredient is that this missing ingredient, your North Star, is what powers your entire machine, your entire business. You're also going to find an exercise in thinking and dreaming bigger in this episode. This is going to be amazing. I'm telling you, the whole thing is amazing, and I want you to sign up for it and watch it. And if you are wondering what other benefit could I possibly get from this, check out what Nick had to say. He said basically, wow, this series, The Rise of the Digital CEO, just wow. He said his biggest takeaways were having a higher price creates a higher impact. When people don't pay, they don't pay attention. Also, don't be Walmart. That is some serious, those are some serious truth bombs, right? And this is the kind of stuff that you're going to come away with. These are the kind of breakthroughs that you're going to have from watching this free series. And let's see. And also Shauna, she says that she is planning to give this series another watch because it was that good and she was incredibly blown away. So again, I encourage you, and in fact, I challenge you, as soon as you're done watching this, if you are watching live, thank you so much for being here. Bless your heart for watching this whole thing and then going to go sign up for the series. And if you're watching the replay, as soon as this is done, please do yourself a favor, click the link in my bio, sign up, get registered. Y'all, it's free and it's a game changer. You literally lose nothing. Again, my name is Marissa. I am one half of the Meraki Collective, where we help coaches, consultants, and professional service providers show up online with clarity and confidence. After you are done watching this series, I want to know what came up for you. What questions do you have? What discoveries did you make? And feel free to send me an email. You can email me at hello@themerakicollective.com. You can send me a DM here on Instagram or Facebook or on wherever you're watching. And we can even schedule a time to chat, because you'll have things that come up. Like I said, been there, done that. You'll have things that are going to come up. So if you need to talk about them, if you have questions about how exactly you are going to be able to move from this category to the next category and grow your business in the way that aligns with you and your goals and the things that are important to you, then let's chat. I'm here to help. Thank you again so much for being here, whether you're watching live or the replay. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.